Microgreens, the tiny plants with mighty nutrients. In recent years, microgreens have taken the health and culinary world by storm. These small but powerful greens are packed with nutrients, vibrant flavors, and visual appeal, making them a favorite among chefs, health enthusiasts, and urban gardeners alike. What are microgreens? Microgreens are young vegetable greens harvested just after the first true leaves develop, usually 7-21 days after germination. They are not sprouts, which are germinated seeds, or baby greens, which are older and larger. Microgreens fall right in between, small in size, but rich in nutrients and flavor. Common types of microgreens: leafy greens, kale, spinach, arugula, lettuce. Herbs, basil, cilantro, dill, parsley. Vegetables, broccoli, radish, beetroot, mustard, sunflower. Grains, legumes, pea shoots, wheatgrass, amaranth. Despite their small size, microgreens are nutrient dense, often containing 40 times more vitamins and minerals than their mature counterparts. Nutrients found in microgreens: Vitamin C boosts immunity and skin health. Vitamin K supports bone strength and blood clotting. Beta carotene promotes vision and cell repair. Antioxidants protect cells from damage and aging. Iron, zinc, magnesium essential for energy and metabolism. Example: red cabbage microgreens have up to 40 times more vitamin E and 6 times more vitamin C than mature red cabbage leaves. Growing microgreens doesn't require acres of land or heavy equipment, just a small tray, soil, seeds, and sunlight. Choose your seeds. Pick from popular varieties like broccoli, kale, or mustard. Prepare a shallow tray. Fill with organic soil or a growing mat. Sow the seeds evenly. Press gently into the soil and mist with water. Provide light warmth. Keep in indirect sunlight or under grow lights. Harvest in 1-3 weeks. Cut just above the soil when leaves appear. Tip: rinse gently and store in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to a week. Microgreens represent a sustainable solution for urban and small-scale agriculture. Can be grown indoors year-round. Short growing cycle, quick harvests and low waste. In urban areas, microgreens can turn balconies, rooftops, or even windowsills into mini farms. It helps boost immunity, rich in antioxidants and vitamins, improves digestion, high fiber content. Reduces inflammation, contains polyphenols and phytonutrients, supports heart health, helps lower bad cholesterol, enhances detoxification, promotes liver and cellular cleansing. Microgreens may be tiny, but their impact is massive, from improving nutrition to supporting sustainable food systems. Whether you're a home gardener or a commercial farmer, growing microgreens is simple, profitable, and eco-friendly. Top 10 microgreens, their health benefits. 1. Keycap broccoli microgreens, nutrient highlight, high in sulforaphane, cancer-fighting compound, benefit, boosts immunity and detoxifies the body. Dough radish microgreens, nutrient highlight, vitamin C, E, and potassium, benefit, aids digestion and supports skin health. Third is kale microgreens, nutrient highlight, iron, calcium, vitamin K, benefit, strengthens bones and improves circulation. Char sunflower shoots, nutrient highlight, protein, healthy fats, and zinc, benefit, promotes muscle growth and immune function. Parch pea shoots, nutrient highlight, vitamins A, C, folate, and fiber, benefit, supports eye health and reduces inflammation. 6 beet microgreens. Nutrient highlight, betulins and antioxidant NTS benefit, improves blood flow and heart health. 7 arugula microgreens. Nutrient highlight, calcium, magnesium, and NITRATS benefit, regulates blood pressure and boosts stamina. 8 basil microgreens. Nutrient highlight, vitamin K and essential oils benefit, fights inflammation and supports brain function. 9 mustard microgreens. Nutrient highlight, glucosinolates and vitamin A benefit, enhances metabolism and aids detoxification. Red cabbage microgreens. Nutrient highlight, vitamin C and anti-HOCYNINs benefit, strengthens immunity and reduces oxidative stress. Start growing microgreens today, fresh, fast, and full of flavor.